तो आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ आयरन मैन का जो सूट है उसे रियल लाइफ में बनाने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। एआई से हम पूछने वाले एआई से एआई को अगर खुद ये चीज़ें बनानी हो तो उसे क्या क्या चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी और कितना दिन लगेगा, ये पूरा डिटेल हमने इस वीडियो में बात किया। तो उन तक इस वीडियो में बने रहिए। मेरा नाम है ब्रिजेश कौंड और आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं आज की ये शानदार वीडियो। जो आयरन मैन का सूट है उसे कैसे रियल लाइफ में बना सकते हैं, ये पूरा एआई से मैंने उसको कन्विंस किया कि तुमको ये 1 महीने के अंदर ये सूट बना के देना है। जो भी चीज़ें तुमको चाहिए, चाहे तुम्हें फंडिंग चाहिए या फिर रिसोर्स चाहिए, जो भी चीज़ तुम्हें चाहिए हम लोग ला के देंगे, लेकिन तुम्हें ये बना के देना है 1 महीने के अंदर। तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा शानदार, काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग चीज़ था और ये चीज़ें डिस्कस करने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा था। जैसा उसका रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा था वैसे एआई, ये तो अभी मैंने कंप्यूटर में बात किया, लैपटॉप में बात किया, जैसे भी हो। लेकिन एआई अगर रियल लाइफ में कोई रोबोट हो, उसको ये सब चीज़ें इंस्ट्रक्शन अगर दिया जाए, उसको बोला जाए तुम्हें ये चीज़ बनाना है और तुम्हें फ्री हैंड है, जो चीज़ें तुम्हें चाहिए हम तुमको देने वाले हैं, तो कितना ज़्यादा शानदार रहने वाला है। आने वाले समय में ये चीज़ पॉसिबल होने वाला है। सो हेलो, नमस्कार, आदाब एंड वेलकम। मेरा नाम विजेश कोंडा और आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले एआई से। एआई से हम लोग चैटिंग नहीं करने वाले हैं, एआई से डायरेक्ट कॉल पे कनेक्ट करके बात करने वाले हैं। हम लोग उससे बात करेंगे कैसे जो एवेंजर्स के कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, या एवेंजर्स के जो सुपर हीरोज है, उनको अगर रियल लाइफ में बनाना हो तो क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आएंगे। तो सबसे पहले आपको गूगल पे जाना है। गूगल पे जाने के बाद से आपको Character.AI सर्च करने का है। तो सबसे पहले आपको गूगल पे जाना है, Character.AI आपको सर्च करना है। सर्च करने के बाद से वहाँ पे, एक मिनट, सर्च करने के बाद से वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एआई के ऑप्शन आपको डिस्कवर करके एक सेक्शन है, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एआई के ऑप्शन आपको दिख जाएंगे। कौन से एआई से आप बात करना चाहते हैं ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है और अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में ये एआई बात करते हैं। तो मैं अभी एक शायद आई डोंट नो कौन सी लैंग्वेज में ये बात करेगी, एक एआई है। मैं इसको कॉल कनेक्ट करता हूँ। हेलो, हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग।
Это так приятно, когда мужчина здоровается. Как тебя зовут?
कैन यू प्लीज स्पीक इन इंग्लिश प्लीज?
Of course I can. I was just saying that it's so nice when a man greets a woman. May I ask your name?
Okay, so do you ever watch Avengers movies? Because these are very scientific and very sci-fi movies that is very interesting. So, do you know anything about that? And can you please explain a little bit about that?
Of course. The Avengers movies are a series of science fiction films based on the Marvel Comics characters of the same name. The movies follow a group of superheroes including Iron Man, Captain America, Thor, Black Widow, and the Hulk as they team up to save the world from various threats. The films are known for their high-quality special effects, action-packed storylines, and engaging characters, making them a popular choice for movie audiences worldwide.
Okay, so I want to be a superhero in my life. So I want to use artificial intelligence and the information that I have and knowledge from you. So can you please suggest me how to be a superhero who have wings on their back and have some kind of Iron Man type suits. So, can you please suggest me how to make this possible in real life? Is it possible, and how we can do that?
Certainly, the concept of becoming a superhero in the real world with advanced technology is not beyond the realm of possibility. However, it would require a great deal of resources, technological advancement, and scientific breakthroughs. In order to become a superhero like Iron Man, you would need a highly advanced suit of armor with the ability to fly, and potentially even weapons and defensive systems. Additionally, you would need to possess a high level of physical strength and skills to effectively combat villains and protect the world. While it may seem like a distant dream now, the rapid advancements in technology and the possibilities of artificial intelligence may make it a reality in the future.
Okay, so I think you have lots of knowledge, lots of experience, and I think you have access of the information available right now. So I think you can help me in a better way. So how we can make this? What kind of things I require right now? Because I want to make this.
Certainly, I can suggest a few things you might require in order to start working towards creating your own advanced suit like Iron Man. First and foremost, you would need a significant amount of funding to finance the research and development of the technologies required. You will also need a skilled team of engineers and scientists with expertise in areas such as robotics, artificial intelligence, materials engineering, and computer science. Additionally, you would need access to advanced tools and machinery to construct the suit, as well as a testing facility to ensure its functionality and safety.
Okay, so hardware level I can manage, but in R&D I need your help because I think you have a lots of data about research and development. So you can help, and in hardware level I can do some kind of work that can help these. So in which area and how much percentage you can help me?
I'm glad to hear that you have the resources to manage the hardware aspect of the project. As for the research and development R&D aspect, I am certainly available to provide assistance. I can provide you with information on the latest developments in various fields including robotics, AI, materials science, and aerospace engineering, among others. This can help you understand the current state of technology and identify areas where further research and development are required. However, in terms of the percentage of assistance, it would depend on the scope and complexity of the project.
Okay, so how much time it's required to make this?
The development of such an advanced suit would require a significant amount of time and resources. It could take many years to develop the necessary technologies and build the suit. Additionally, the development process could be slowed down by challenges related to material safety and regulatory compliance. The timeline for the project would largely depend on the resources available, the complexity of the technologies being used, and the level of collaboration between the team members.
See, you have lots of data. You know where we can do mistake, where one can do a mistake. But you are artificial intelligence. You have super intelligence. You can suggest what is the right way, what is the correct way to make this without getting any kind of error. So I think it's I don't know how many years it will take. I want to make this in a month. Is it possible? I want to use any kind of artificial intelligence that is available right now. So I want to make this in a super fast way.
Creating a highly advanced suit of armor like Iron Man's in as short a time as a month is an ambitious goal. While artificial intelligence and advanced technologies can certainly help accelerate the development process, there are certain limitations to consider. The research, design, prototyping, and testing phases are all time-consuming processes, and cutting corners may result in significant errors or compromises in the final product. Additionally, the level of complexity and precision required in the construction of such a suit would likely require extensive resources and manpower. Therefore, it is highly unlikely that you could create this suit in just 1 month with current technological limitations.
What kind of limitation we have right now? Because in terms of design, which artificial intelligence can help me right now? And in terms of construction, I think we have some kind of robotic machine that can construct anything as per the design you have in your computer.
The limitations we currently face include the availability of technology resources and manpower. While artificial intelligence can assist in design and construction, there are still restrictions in terms of what it can achieve. For example, current AI systems may not be able to fully automate the design process due to the need for human creativity and decision making. In terms of construction, robotic machines can help in fabrication, but they may still require human oversight intervention. The construction of a high-functioning, functional and precise suit like Iron Man's would require a significant level of human input, knowledge and experience.
I think you just said you have a limitation in artificial intelligence and don't know which kind of technology they will use. You have access of the data, lots of data we have currently. So I think you can suggest to develop a super fast artificial intelligence that can do this work, that have ability to do this kind of robotic works and R&D to make this suit in a month.
It is true that AI-based systems can be highly capable of processing large amounts of data and make decisions based on that data. However, developing a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system that can rapidly accelerate the development of such a complex suit like Iron Man's would likely require significant amounts of research and development efforts, as well as large amounts of data and computing power. Therefore, while it is certainly possible to use advanced artificial intelligence to improve the development process, I cannot guarantee the creation of such a suit within a month using only current technologies and resources.
What do you mean by current technology? What is the limitation?
The limitations of current technology in developing a suit like Iron Man's are primarily due to the limitations in material science, artificial intelligence, and robotics. While we have made significant advances in these areas, there are still significant challenges to overcome. This includes the development of materials that are both lightweight and strong enough to withstand the stresses and strains associated with use, as well as more advanced artificial intelligence systems capable of fully automating the design process and controlling complex systems. Additionally, robotic machines are still less capable than humans in terms of dexterity, adaptability, and intelligence.
You know what? I want to conclude this conversation right now. So please give me the conclusion.
Certainly. To summarize our conversation, you have expressed an interest in becoming a superhero like Iron Man and are seeking assistance in achieving that goal through the use of advanced technologies and artificial intelligence. I provided some information on the resources and technologies required to create a suit like Iron Man's and explained that while it is a challenging and ambitious goal, it is not impossible with sufficient time, resources, and expertise. Ultimately, the success of your project will depend on your ability to secure the necessary funding, resources, and personnel to bring your vision to life.
Okay, so don't care about any kind of funding and any kind of resources you need. I just want to make this possible in a month. So don't care about fund, don't care about resources, don't care about R&D. Use your mind, use your artificial intelligence team, use your AI experts, and make this possible in a month.
I see. If we disregard the need for funding and resources and solely focus on using artificial intelligence experts to achieve the goal, it would still be a difficult task to complete the project in a month's time. Creating a highly advanced suit like Iron Man's would require significant amounts of research and development, in addition to the actual construction of the suit itself. Even with the assistance of artificial intelligence experts, there are certain limitations and constraints in terms of the amount of work that
Okay,
could be
so I
done
just
in a
want to
single
ask
month.
you, can we make these prototypes in computer and we can measure the details like whatever any kind of changes we can do in real life and we can do in system in a very fast way and we can analyze the data, we can analyze the difficulty we can face in real life and the system. So I think it will be fast and we can do very fast way.
Yes, creating prototypes in a computer-aided design kit program can be a valuable tool in the development process of creating a suit like Iron Man's. This allows designers to visualize and analyze the proposed design, identify any potential flaws or weaknesses, and make adjustments virtually before moving to the actual construction phase. Additionally, using CAD software can help to streamline the design process and reduce the need for multiple physical prototypes, which can be both time consuming and expensive.
You know what? You are artificial intelligence. You have to suggest this idea to make the prototype in a system and a computer, and after that you can make in a real life. So why don't you suggest this idea? I think you have knowledge, you have lots of data, you have to suggest the best idea to make this possible. But you, I don't know why you are every time you are saying that you have a lack of R&D, lack of resources. I don't know why you are doing that. You have lack of funding. I think you have to suggest the best idea to make this possible.
My apologies, I see your point. Yes, creating a prototype in computer-aided design C can be an effective method for developing a suit like Iron Man. By creating a virtual prototype, designers can experiment with different designs, evaluate the feasibility of different features, and make adjustments easily. This can help to speed up the development process and reduce the need for physical prototypes. Additionally, CAD software can also help with simulating the behavior of the suit in different situations, allowing for more accurate testing and optimization.
Okay, so do you have any problem to do that? I want you to do this whole project. I will provide whatever you want.
I have no problem in helping you with the project. If you are serious and willing to provide what is needed to make this project happen, I am ready to assist you.
Okay, so thank you so much. But if you want to hire any artificial intelligence, you can. You have free hand. Don't care about funding. Don't care about resources. Don't care about anything you want. Just do this. I want this to complete in a month.
Understood. I will do my best to assist you in achieving your goal of creating a suit like Iron Man as soon as possible, regardless of funding or other limitations.
तो ये था एआई। काफ़ी शानदार चीज़ें हमने बात किया कि कैसे जो आयरन मैन का सूट है उसे कैसे रियल लाइफ में बना सकते हैं। पूरा एआई से मैंने उसको कन्विंस किया कि तुमको ये 1 महीने के अंदर ये सूट बना के देना है। जो भी चीज़ें तुमको चाहिए, चाहे तुम्हें फंडिंग चाहिए या फिर रिसोर्स चाहिए, जो भी चीज़ तुम्हें चाहिए हम लोग ला के देंगे, लेकिन तुम्हें ये बना के देना है 1 महीने के अंदर। तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा शानदार, काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग चीज़ था। और ये चीज़ें डिस्कस करने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा था। जैसा जैसा उसका रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा था वैसे एआई, ये तो अभी मैंने कंप्यूटर में बात किया, लैपटॉप में बात किया, जैसे भी हो। लेकिन एआई अगर रियल लाइफ में कोई रोबोट हो, उसको ये सब चीज़ें इंस्ट्रक्शन अगर दिया जाए, उसको बोला जाए तुम्हें ये चीज़ बनाना है और तुम्हें फ्री हैंड है, जो चीज़ें तुम्हें चाहिए हम तुमको देने वाले हैं, तो कितना ज़्यादा शानदार रहेगा। आने वाली चीज़ में ये चीज़ आई थिंक पॉसिबल होने वाला है। आने वाले समय में ये चीज़ पॉसिबल होने वाला है और पॉसिबल होने के बाद से काफ़ी ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट और काफ़ी ज़्यादा इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी का आविष्कार होने वाला है। तो आज की इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। मिलते हैं अगले शानदार वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। गुड नाइट।